This is the story of an abandoned legend, a Nissan Skyline R34 left to the elements, rust creeping over every curve, a shadow of its former glory. In the quiet underground garage, a mechanic approaches. The car, still covered in dust, waits patiently for attention. Careful hands brush away years of neglect, every particle of dust telling its own story. The rusted panels, the cracked paint, each imperfection speaks of time and weathered battles, and the faded emblem stands as a silent witness to the car's legacy, nostalgia in every detail. Inside the engine bay, the heart of the Skyline lies dusty but intact as the mechanic inspects, planning its revival. Hands work meticulously, checking, measuring, repairing. Precision is key, notes are taken, plans laid out, the Skyline's rebirth being meticulously mapped. Finally, the car is ready for restoration. A promise of transformation lies ahead. And here it stands, fully restored, polished, gleaming, reborn. The Skyline R34, a legend returned to life.